let's transition between scenes smoothly with this video transition effect. First, what you need is the effects panel. Take your video or your image, right click on it, show clip keyframes, and then add effects. The effects panel will be added to your workspace. Then you can type dissolve to find film dissolve in video in the bottom of the list. You gotta move the movie track on top. On the upper part, click and move up top. Then in the effects panel, choose film dissolve and drag and drop at the beginning and at the end of your video track. Finally, you can click and size the length of your effect.